Sam Amara, CFA, is performing return calculation for composites of its firm XYZ Limited, and as per calculation, Sam Amara, CFA, is performing return calculation for composites. So there are some term called composites. However, you will be reading it when you go through reading 4 and 5. That is GIPS. So just don't brainstorm around it. Just think that it is something called a portfolio. Okay, so calculation for composite for its firms XYZ Limited, and as per calculation in last 5 years the average return for composite 1 is 25% compared to benchmark return of 10%. So it's a good return. Firm's marketing material quote XYZ has quote XYZ has consistently beaten benchmark and has generated positive risk adjusted returns for its investors. Example, composite 1 has generated positive risk adjusted return for investors. However, Sam fails to state in marketing material that accounts taken for return calculation of composite was chosen at management's discretion and not all accounts were taken into consideration. Which of the following is correct? Firstly, when you will go through GIPS standards, then you will realize that this is not allowed. You cannot do cherry picking. Friends, if you recall the term cherry picking, that was there under the omission part beside plagiarism in our presentation of content video. Then cherry picking is not allowed as per standards. Even you go through GIPS standards, then you will see that you have to include all accounts. You cannot cherry pick any of the accounts. Hence, this is a violation and this is something which is not allowed. That I'm saying it upfront. Okay, so let's see what options we have. There is no violation of standard 1C. However, standard 1D, that is misconduct, is violated as performance statement is incorrect. I don't think so. Performance statement is incorrect. It is correct. B, standard 1C is violated as by calculating return without considering all accounts, as this amounts to cherry picking. As I told you, I think B should be the answer, but let's read C as well. Standard 1C is violated as statement that firm has consistently generated positive risk adjusted return is not allowed. This is something which is wrong. So B is the correct answer. As per standard 1C, cherry picking is not allowed for performance reporting, and also Amara fails to state the same in marketing material as well. The statement about firm has consistently generated positive risk adjusted return is something which is not a violation if it is a fact. So that is allowed if it is a fact. Okay.